Hi, can I help you with anything?
Yes, please. My TV isn't working and I'm looking for a new one.
Sure, why don't you come on in and we'll see what we can find you. Are you looking for anything in particular?
My place isn't too big, but I still want to find something that is good for movies and gaming.
Sure, I think we might have something here. We have everything from entry-level TVs to 8K TVs.
Okay, what is the difference between them?
I'd recommend the 8K TV for someone who's very passionate into watching films or wants a whole theatrical experience. And I recommend the entry-level TVs for someone who's more relaxed and just wants a casual viewing after work, but still has great quality.
Sounds great. Could I try some of the products?
Yeah, of course. You can try everything here and compare it with each other so you can find what suits you best. By any chance, are you looking to upgrade your audio equipment as well? We specialize in that too.
Actually, yeah. I've been looking to upgrade my setup, but I don't know what I need. All I have now is a couple of speakers.
Sure. Could I interest you in some soundbars? They save a lot of space and they deliver great sound quality as well.
Yeah, I could be interested in that. What if I'm not sure how to set it all up?
No problem at all. We offer delivery and installation service as well, so you're covered from everything, so you don't have to worry about it.
That sounds great. What happens if I need to ask you some questions?
We're available through text and calls, so if you have any questions about your speaker or need assistance for your TV, we're always here to help.
Amazing. Let me look around and I'll let you know when I picked it what I want.
Sure, thank you. Go ahead.